The first company we're going to talk about is one that has a lot of opportunities, and if you look closely you will see that they are all global, like all countries are welcome, like you can see here, and they are all high paying. Like this one that is for entry-level remote jobs for generative AI content reviewers are going to pay you $15 to $30 per hour. This one that is remote image annotation specialist is going to pay $5 to $10 per hour. So for this is AI training specialist. So this is what you're going to see here. So we're going to discuss in details 5 similar companies where you can find AI training jobs as a beginner, and you can come on board and join them to start doing this job, to start earning money from the comfort of your home, as long as you have your laptop or your phone and an internet connection to be able to do this. And of course you should be able to have a quiet place where you can easily focus on the job and get it done as it's supposed to. So those are the things we're going to be talking about in this video, and please make sure to watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on any opportunity, and so you can learn more about the ones that are available in your location. And if you're new, hello and welcome to the channel. On this channel we'll talk about remote jobs, AI jobs, generally ways you can make money from home. So if it's something you're interested in, please consider being part of our growing community by liking and subscribing to join us. So the first website where you can find this job is one that is into training AI. Like they gather pool of people to help train AI models before they are being launched. So they have varieties of different jobs, but for the purpose of this video, our focus is going to be on generative AI jobs, where you can come on board and do things like image labeling, data annotation, audio annotation, just generally to train an AI model to be able to recognize pattern, predict results, and know what it can do once it gets launched and people start using it. So if you come to the website, this is basically what the website looks like. Now the good thing about this website is the fact that they have fellowship for people that are into academics to come on board to help with research, because they believe here that AI systems have achieved remarkable breakthroughs, yet they continue to review critical limitations. So to be able to meet all those limitations, that is why they have a fellowship program where people into academics can come on board to join their fellowship, which is another way for you to improve yourself and earn more money on this platform. So if you come here on the platform, as you can see, if you come to the workforce, you can see that they have 200,000 plus PhDs here, and it's available in 80 plus languages, and they have 500 plus disciplines and publication of about 30,000 plus. So those are the things you should know. So for the interest of this video, we're going to look at the career page, where we're going to look for generative AI jobs. So you're going to scroll down to look for generative AI generalist. So here you click on it, then you're going to see the job role. First of all, they give an about them session, and then the role, what you will do. So you're basically going to oversee the end-to-end product operation circles, then collaborate with product and engineering team, establish, track and optimize key performance metrics and stuff like this. So you go through it, and here is what they are looking for. You have to have some of these skills and abilities to be able to work for them. So for you to work for them, you're going to create a short email case study. And to know better, you click on email case study, and you're going to learn more about what you're expected to do. Like you're expected to answer some questions, and most times these questions are automatically updated every 5 minutes. What it means is that if you check this page after 5 minutes, you will get a different question from the one you saw before. So you can answer, and afterwards they have already given you a format to do all these things. Then you send your application to this, and once you have sent it, then they will notify you to tell you that they have acknowledged or received your email. So that's how you can apply for this job. So generally on this platform, as a generative AI generalist, you're going to be earning $20 to $50 per hour, depending on what tasks you're expected to do. So you should have that in mind before you come on board. And like you saw, there are some requirements you need to have, so make sure you meet them before you apply. And the second website we're going to talk about also has fellowship, like the first one we talked about, where you can join as a fellow, and there are also jobs there that you can do as an AI trainer. So this one is basically for people that are beginners or people that have some experiences training AI. In some cases, before you even start the job, you're going to be briefed or trained a bit to be able to know what to do on the job. So if you come to the website, you can see that they are the largest expert network in AI. So here they have 500,000 people with PhDs, and the experts and researchers they have is over 18 million. Now here are the top universities they work with. So these are not really much of our interest here on this video. So we're going to look for the career page or the opportunities. So here is the opportunities. We're going to click on opportunities and see what we have here. So these are other jobs for people that are skilled and have some experiences. So for the interest of this video, we're talking about generalist AI trainer, and this job is going to pay you $22 per hour, and it's a part-time or remote job. So to learn more, you click on it, and here is the overview about the job. As you can see, it's remote. Of course, you have to be English speaking to be able to join on this job. So you can see the details about the job. Work remotely and independently on short-term AI training projects, and with minimum commitments to hours, so you have that in mind. So here are the qualifications and everything you need to know, and the work authorization information. So for you to join on this job, you're going to sign up to create an account, then they verify your account to make sure that you're a real human being, and then you're going to be onboarded. And once you're done with the onboarding process, you can start up doing the projects they have and start earning once you're done with each project that you're expected to do. So to get started, you click here where it says sign up. So the third website is another one that is similar to these first ones we just mentioned. They work with leading AI companies on cutting-edge projects, and then you apply your domain expertise to shape the future of artificial intelligence while earning competitive compensation for high quality and meaningful jobs. So here they have 5,000 plus expert pool, and they work with 98% of the colleges and experts. So here are the opportunities. So this one is for remote image annotation specialist. It's flexible hours. You're going to earn $5 to $10 per hour. They are all contract jobs. So this one is entry-level remote job, generative AI content reviewer. This one is AI training specialist, bash scripting expert. So, and so many other AI jobs. This one is for data AI annotation and other stuff. So for the interest of this video, we're going to be looking at the entry-level remote jobs, generative AI reviewer. So you're going to click on it. Then you're going to see the job description about this job and who you are, the ideal candidates they want to be able to do this job. So you can see, as you can see, you have to be comfortable judging visual content, and you have to have a good eye for details, and so many other things here that you should go through. So the key thing you have to know here is that having prior experience working with some of these AI companies like Scale AI, Surge AI, Sama, and Appens. If you're used to watching my videos, you will know that I've mentioned some of these companies in my videos. So those are added advantage for you. So you can go through it, and once you are good with it, you click the apply now button, and you fill out this information to start creating an account and to start. So you can take other steps with your registration process. And once you're done, you're going to be notified that your process has been completed. So you look forward to the next stage. So we have other AI tools like Outlayer. Outlayer, unfortunately, is not available in all countries, where you will find similar jobs that you can do. And of course, you're going to look for generative AI trainer, and then you can check for your country on Outlayer. Once you see the one that you're eligible to apply to, you can quickly make your application, and hopefully it works for you. Now, I have one more to go, and if you've seen value so far in this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe. Now, most of these jobs require you to give your resume and cover letter to be able to apply. And if you're looking for the fastest way and the easiest way for you to make job application, I have prepared a 12-in-1 job application bundle that can help you with this whole process. It is seamless, and it's going to save you a lot of time and stress. In fact, I've gotten a lot of good reviews from some of you that have purchased, and I want to give a shout out to all of you that patronized me so far. I'm really grateful to you all. That is ATS friendly, so you don't need to worry. So you can grab one with the link in the description of this video. The next one we're going to talk about is one that says it builds the future with AI. The mission is to deliver edge-cutting data solutions to help their clients build artificial intelligence and machine learning solutions for better operational efficiency, a cleaner environment, improved safety, and better human health. So here, for our interest is in the careers for you to know. So here you have business operations job, like business jobs under business operations. Then we have data annotation, domain experts. For our interest is on data annotation. So we're going to click on data annotation, and here is career in data annotation. So you can join the award-winning team, one of the global delivery centers for AI excellence. And to join, you're going to click here and start by making your application. You're going to apply first your name, your last name, email, and of course you're going to upload your resume and solve this captcha so they know that you are human. And then you click apply for data enrichment, and then you follow other processes. Now here they did not really specify the amount you're going to earn for each job role, but you can expect something from $15 to $30 per hour to be able to start working with them on this platform. So if you're looking for other AI jobs that you might want to do check out this video. Please don't fail to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.